Today's video, I'm going to show you how to properly revamp a wig. You can see what this wig is looking like. A client just gave it to me, sent it to me for revamping. So you can see this wig is out of the box, is already over bleached. The person that bleached it over bleached the wig, but I'm not going to worry about that. So I'm going to show you properly how to revamp a wig. So if it's something you want to learn, or even for yourself, or you want to start it as a business, make sure to watch this video to the very end so you can see the products that are going to be used and everything we are going to do to bring this bring this wig back to life. The first thing we are going to do is use a white toothbrush to brush out the wig. And when you're combing the wig, make sure to comb from down to up. The reason for doing this is so you minimize breakage. Okay, so if the wig is matted and you immediately start combing from up here instead of down, you're going to have a lot of shading. So in order to minimize that, make sure to always start brushing your wigs from the bottom to top. Okay, so just watch me do it and make sure to be very, very gentle. As you're brushing, you can now make your way up. As you're brushing from down, gently move up and make sure that there is no tangling, kind of detangling the hair. You can see how I'm handling this wig. I'm not holding the lace. I'm always going for the main cap, just because this lace is very fragile and it can easily rip off. So always make sure to hold the cap of the wig instead of the lace. Make sure to detangle every part of the hair. The next step is shampooing and conditioning. So I'm going to be filling this bowl with warm water, not hot water, warm water, and I'm going to be using some clarifying shampoo and also a hydration shampoo. So I'm going to mix both of these together inside this warm water. So this is, I'm going to be pouring here. I'm going to try to mix it up. Then I'm going to soak the hair inside. I want you to see the way I'm washing this wig. I'm not scrubbing it like as if I'm scrubbing my clothes. You can see this is how you wash your wigs. Don't scrub, no. And when you're done washing the hair, then you come to the cap. You can see the cap. You wash it. In fact, this is what I use to wash the cap. I use this to brush the cap of any dirt. So don't even scrub at all. Then when you come to the lace, be gentle. Scrub the lace. So I'm done with the shampooing. Now it's time to deep condition. So I'm gonna be mixing this with this and this conditioner. You can really, some people use silicone mix, but I don't have that at the moment, so I'm gonna make use of what I have, and also this miracle oil. So let's mix everything together. I'm trying to it over the hair. I'm trying to make sure I cover the whole hair with the mixture, right? So this one is done. Let's do the second one. So this is the hair. I'm going to put it inside this bag. And then leave it for maybe an hour or two, and then I'll come and rinse it. That is the end of the video. After leaving it for 2 hours, you just come up and rinse it, and there you have it. This is how to revamp your wig like a pro. After doing all the steps, trust me, your wig is going to be looking as new as possible. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up, and turn on your notification. Subscribing is totally free, and turn on your notifications so that every time we post a video like this, you can get the notification. Thanks for watching. Bye.